Hi, I am Miss Teacher and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to teach your adult class writing practice. Now, I made a video where I taught you how to teach your little students and your older students who are children writing practice. This video, when teaching your older adult students who are beginners, will be a mixture of that video. So first, you're going to have something like this. So if the phrase they learn is I and then something, you will have the picture of the vocabulary here. So the vocabulary is sing. You're going to have the picture that they recognize with sing. And so then they need to fill in the blank. I sing. They need to write I here. Now they don't need to have help. They need to do this individually so they can focus on and learn on their own how to properly structure these sentences and how to properly spell these sentences. They should not be looking at anything because we all know we can copy, but can they use their brains to answer? You can go over these answers after everyone has finished as a class, but they need to complete this as an individual. Second, they will look at the picture. The vocabulary is run. They need to look at the sentence, I run. And this is where they will write the UN to practice spelling. They will have a picture here of somebody clapping, and then they will know I clap. And then they need to spell the alphabets here. So as this class gets more advanced, the sentences will be longer, where you will not only be blocking out letters, but you also will be blocking out words, and they will have to fill in the words to help spell and also the missing letters to help them with spelling and structuring a proper sentence. Next, they will have to learn the next way that the younger students have learned, and that is to answer the question. So, for example, if the lesson question is, what do you do? The students need to answer the question using the picture of the vocabulary to help them. For example, the first question would be, what do you do? They see the picture here of somebody singing, and then they must write, I sing, knowing that they're answering the question. What do you do? See a picture of here of somebody clapping, I clap. Okay, this helps them understand what the question is asking and understand what the picture is. That lets us know they understand the vocabulary and the structure of a sentence, and they understand the question and what is being asked to them. The students will use the picture to know all these things. So you need to make sure you have the picture here. Remind your students to use capital letters and periods, please. So you can also have like a little fun activity. One activity, you can have the sentences mixed up. This will teach your students how to properly construct a sentence. You want them to know how to construct your sentence using different activities. They will get bored doing the same activities over and over. So this is a good way to get those activities in where they're doing the same thing but in different ways. Okay, so both these activities, this one and the previous one, helps them construct a sentence properly. But this one is going to be a bit more fun. And this is what I mean. It's going to look something like this. Okay, and as time passes, this should get harder and the sentences should be longer. And even with the periods in here, they need to know where it goes. Okay, and that's the end of this video.